Hello my YouTube channel followers and viewers. Today I will show you how to change video resolution with FFmpeg. Changing the video resolution also reduces the video file size. This way you can save disk space. I will open the video properties to show its original resolution. I will change the original size to 800 by 640 resolution. Next, to change the video resolution, I will open a command prompt window, where I will call the FFmpeg program and pass the necessary parameters. Next, the video resolution is changed and a new video file named output.mp4 is created. You can specify the file name as you wish, as well as the resolution to which you want to change. The processing process is currently underway and may take some time depending on the size and resolution of the video file. The processing process is complete, and the video file output.mp4 has been created. I will open the properties of the output.mp4 file and show that the video file now has a resolution of 800 by 640. I will also run the output.mp4 video file to make sure it works.